Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for bathroom organization, the Moforoco Adhesive Shower Caddy Organizer Shelves Rack. This product is the best Moforoco has to offer, and if you're tired of clutter in your bathroom, you're going to want to stick around. The Moforoco Shower Caddy comes as a 5-pack set, perfect for maximizing your storage space in various areas like your bathroom, kitchen, RV, or even your living room. These corner shelves are designed to seamlessly integrate into any home decor, providing both functionality and a touch of elegance. With a sleek black finish, they're not just practical, they enhance the aesthetic of your space. One of the standout features of this product is its construction. Made from 304 stainless steel, these shelves are rust-proof and built to last. This means you can use them in the shower without worrying about them deteriorating over time. The thoughtful spacer design at the bottom allows for efficient drainage, keeping your items dry and reducing the risk of mildew, something we all want to avoid in damp bathroom environments. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the upgraded adhesive that Moforoco has implemented. You won't need any drilling or complex tools, just peel and stick. This powerful adhesive provides a load-bearing capacity of up to 40 pounds, making it twice as strong as many other products on the market. You can rest easy knowing your shelves will stay firmly in place, holding everything from shampoo bottles to soap dishes without the risk of falling. Another great aspect of these shelves is their versatility. They can be installed on any smooth surface, which opens up a world of possibilities beyond just the bathroom. Use them in your kitchen to store spices, in your living room for decorative items, or even in your garage for tools. The adaptability of this product truly makes it a must-have for anyone looking to declutter. User feedback highlights the ease of cleaning, suction power, and overall sturdiness of the shelves. This speaks volumes about the quality Moforoco has put into this design. Plus, the convenience of not having to drill holes in your walls is a huge plus for renters or anyone who loves a clean, damage-free installation. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish way to organize your space, the Moforoco Adhesive Shower Caddy Organizer Shelves Rack is an excellent investment. With its durable materials, strong adhesive, and versatility, it ticks all the boxes for an ideal storage solution. So, if you're ready to transform your bathroom or any other room in your home, be sure to check out this fantastic product. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products available.